Yo, what's going on? Alex Jenkins checking in. Currently in a trade on Great British Pound USD. I got in at 28.32. Market's at 28.22 right now. I'm up $137. Been in this trade for a minute. That's some of my alerts going off. Let me know the market is dropping, which is very good for me because that means I'm winning this trade a little bit more. But got 7 minutes left. Market just dropped to 28.19. I just got alert at that the market hit at 28.18.4, but it's at 28.20. It's bouncing back up a little bit. I hopefully it maintain position. Just thinking about taking profit right here, man. To be honest with you, got 6 minutes left, and the market's been moving heck of a crazy, man, for real. But I'm gonna make a decision here in just a moment. That's $122. That's good damn money. You know what I mean? Excuse my language, guys, but that's good money. So with that being said, the market's moving up gradually right now as we speak. So I'm thinking I'm going to take profit here and live with this victory as it be, because this market, GU is something else. GU is something else, I tell you that. So we're gonna see with 120, 21. It's a good price to take profit at. 6 minutes left. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna take profit. Give me just a moment, guys. I think I'm gonna think this out, man. Wow. I can get this thing. Give me just a moment. Everything just wanna act all crazy. Let me refresh that. Let's see what we got here. This trade stressed me out, y'all. I can't even front. Won the trade. I'm talking about that one by the skin of my teeth. Lord, it was tough, but it's a victory. I'm done for the day. As far as right now, just the way y'all can tell the way I feel is I feel queasy right now because that was close. But I'm done for the day until I get off work tonight, this evening. So Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all. If I can get to